Hello, this is Melanie, and today there's another layout for Bramble Fox. As you can already see, I use the travel tabs here, but you can also see that these are not only suitable for travel photos. They go wonderfully with a paper from the Hip Kit Club March kit, and I use a photo of a family evening for which we ordered food from our favorite restaurant. I start by trimming the paper with the metal ruler to get frayed edges. Then I cut off the excess paper scraps. Then I stick the design paper on a white cardstock, because I like to have a white area on the layout. I cut the photos with a lever cutter to have an even white border and glue them to a piece of vellum. To stick the tabs on, I remove the protective film from the back and attach them with double-sided adhesive tape behind the edge of the design paper. As you can see, I only glue the photos in the middle so that I can slide decorations underneath them. In addition to the decorations from the January and March Hip Kit, I use these tags that are punched out with a Big Shot and the metal dies number 6 from Bramble Fox. As you can see, I also cut some parts to size and only use individual pieces. I add the title of the layout with the help of a T-ruler, which is really a big help. Gretchen is the name of our favorite restaurant. Then I glue on a few more enamel dots and add cords to the tags. And now I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again. Stay healthy. Bye.